Something different. Guys, I'm taking these. Izimbali ziyabiza futhi zitshwamile. Ngenze njani? Guys, that is shot.
Aman, isizi yawo nelokhulu.
Sunrise and besties, and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Amanda Shabangu. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the continuous love and support. So I'm back again with the vlog. I did my hair today, so so yeah guys, this is a messed up vlog. It's going to be a vlog, but it's been a very long time since I uploaded. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become one of my besties. So yeah, vlog, but I'm gonna try and explain where they like gaps. But the first thing that you're gonna see is my friend's graduation. I promised her flowers and then I got her flowers. And then I'm cooking. I love cooking, so you're gonna be seeing a lot of cooking on this channel. There's also school, there's also exams, pressure, crying, but we move. So yeah, if you're new here, I hope you do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please do enjoy the vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to share enough in you. Welcome to my channel.
I want some space.
I'm feeling like nervous.
I can believe. I can believe.
Look at the page, look at the screen there. Back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the continuous love and support. So welcome to my study vlog. So I'm writing 4 tests in April, and I am inviting you to study with me. You can just put the phone and study with me. Let's study together, you know. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, if it's your first time here, but we keep on pushing, and good luck with your studies. I think April is okay, so good luck with all your studies. And because it's not
Temu kahleka nibachini. Asikole ngezani mbathi. Saba ngizokuhleka. Ungabulili.
I just received a package from Temu, and I just wanted to show you what I got. It's an unboxing for on TikTok. So I did my lashes first. So these are the lashes that I got. It's called Fluffy Lashes. And then we also have these nails, which I'm gonna try and ngiwafake, but I'm not a nails girl, honestly. I know what I like and what I don't like. So we also have this makeup bag, very cute, very spacious. Yeah, so we also got this powder because yeah, I thought I was going to use it as a setting powder, but I don't know, in my makeup routine. And then I also got these brushes, very cutesy, love the packaging. Yeah, yeah, so these are the brushes. Yeah, but it's popot and popot lala. So that is also what I got. And then I got this nice necklace. It's like a bow tie necklace, and that is just all. That is all I got for this campaign. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you for joining me on my haul. So I think I'm intending to like on a live vlog. I don't know when I'm gonna edit or finish editing this vlog, but yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is my new hair. I'm still not sure about this hair, but again, so you can marinate. Yeah. So thinking I don't have another, like I only have one number of like size of lashes. Reason why they look like this, but my sheet or my Temu order is coming, so yeah. Reason why this is the moment of truth. Can't tell me that's not, you can't tell me that's not cute. You can't. Definitely all the colors that I have. Just get something different for a while. Guys, I'm taking these. Yeah.
All the girls say I'm addicted to you.